to my channel. Today we're going to be making tacos dorados with ground beef, chorizo, and we're going to be adding potatoes to these. And so what these are, it's a refried taco. So let's get right into this recipe. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add our potatoes into our boiling water. They should be cubed potatoes. Let's add them all in. So step 2, we're going to go ahead and add our beef and chorizo mixture to this other pan. Okay, let's get this meat and chorizo combo cooked really well. Smells delicious. So I added some sea salt to my meat and chorizo mixture because it's unseasoned, and the chorizo does give it some flavor, but you want to bring out both flavors just a little bit more with a little bit of sea salt. I put about a tablespoon there. Okay, we'll let this cook for a few minutes. Okay, so now we're going to take our soft potatoes and our chorizo and ground beef mixture, and we're going to put them inside of our softened corn tortillas. And I have my oil heating up in the back, so once it's to temperature, we're going to put these babies in. Okay, so you're going to take your warm tortilla and you're going to get a little bit of your meat like this. You don't want to put too much in because you want to make sure that your tortilla pinches closed nicely. So this is about how much you want to put in there. And then you're going to put a little bit of your potatoes like so, just a little bit. So I've assembled 4 tacos. I've added my meat, I've added some potatoes, and a little bit of cheese. You decide what you have in your fridge. You can go for the mixed Mexican cheese blend, but what I had today, to be economical, because I know times are tough right now, I had some mozzarella cheese, so I went ahead and applied that into my tacos. So now let's go check over to see how our oil's doing. It should be ready to go. Okay, so here we go. I have my oil. It's to temp, and I'm going to go ahead and apply my tacos into my hot oil. So the best way to avoid the oil popping on you is to make sure that you lay your tacos like this. Like that. There's 1. There's 2. There's 3. And you can do 1 at a time if you'd like. I'm going to do 4. Because I feel comfortable doing 4, but if you want to do 1 at a time, go for it. 1 at a time is just perfect too. Okay, so taste test time. My daughter loves this taco. And now let me take a taste test. I'm going to open up, so you carefully open up your taco because they're pretty crispy, but if you just slide your finger in there, you can add, excuse me, a little bit of cilantro. I'm going to add a little bit of this Salsa Roja. I love this one. Pick any one that you like. We all have our preferences with our salsas. You can even use a verde, which is green. I'm going to add a little bit of this Cotija cheese. Here we go. Moment of truth. Oh my God. Oh my God. I don't cook fried food very often, but what do you give this one? 1 out of 10? Wow. Triple wow. That's better than 10. I'll take it.
My fingers are greasy.
Mine too, but it's so tasty. Until next time, thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one.